Welcome to another episode of Smartphone Family History, which is a part of the Watch Me Do Family History channel on YouTube. My name is Chris Knudsen, and I love doing family history, and I love teaching other people how to do family history. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the fastest way to find a family name to take to the temple. You can do this on your smartphone using the Family Tree app from Family Search. It is called the Ordinances Ready button. Let's get started. My favorite feature on the Family Tree app from Family Search is the Ordinances Ready button. Let's go ahead and click on the Family Tree app. And I'm going to enter my username and password and click on the Sign In button. Look at the icons on the bottom of the screen and you will see that we are currently on the Tree page. The other buttons are the Tasks, Temple, Recents, and more. Go ahead and click on the Temple button. This brings us to the Temple page. This is where you will see the names of deceased relatives that you have reserved to take to the temple. At the bottom of this page, you will see a bright green button that says Ordinances Ready. The purpose of this button is to help you print cards to take to the temple today. Go ahead and click on the Ordinances Ready button. A small box appears inviting you to select an ordinance. What ordinance do you want to do at the temple today? I'm going to click on the Baptism and Confirmation button. Now, the phone is going to search for reservations and other temple opportunities that I can do for doing baptisms and confirmations today. Okay, it says we've found people needing ordinances, 4 from my reservation list. I'm going to click View People. So now I've got 4 people that are ready to be taken to the temple to do baptisms. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Continue button, and it brings me to this page. On here it says, view the family name cards to print at home, or have the temple office scan this QR code to print the cards. So you can bring your phone to the temple and show them this code, and they can print the cards off for you. So you can save this page to photos, or you can print View Cards, or you can click on View Cards to print the cards. I'm going to click View Cards. Okay, so this brings me to this page, which shows me 2 pages that are going to print off with the 4 people that I'm going to take to the temple to do baptisms for. Now, in order to print this off, I need to click on the menu button in the top right-hand side of the screen, and this brings up the option to share. So I'm going to click on Share, and this opens up this normal menu button, which allows a normal menu page, which shows you what you can do with these cards. You can send it by message, send it by email, send it by Facebook. You can copy it, you can print it, save it to files. I'm actually going to click on Print. Okay, so now we've got these cards that we're ready to print. And I'm going to tell you that it's important for you to look to make sure that you're on the correct printer and that you're also looking at the options section that tells you how many sided pages. This is going to print single-sided in color. You want to make sure that it doesn't say double-sided. You will not be able to cut out double-sided. So I'm going to go ahead and click the print button in the top right corner, and I am done. So I'm done printing off my cards, and I'm going to take these cards, cut them out, and take them to the temple. So the last thing I have left to do is click the X button to go back to the main page. So this is why I love the Ordinances Ready button on the Family Tree app from Family Search. It's the quickest way to take names to the temple that you are related to. Thanks for watching this show. If you've liked this video, please click the like button. And if you haven't already, click on the subscribe button to join our Watch Me Do Family History channel app. And we'll see you again next time.